ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥದ್ದು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈಚಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟೇ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರಿಣಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು SBHPS ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಮಾನ್ ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಥರ್ಮಾಕೋಲ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗು ಮಕ್ಳ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಕಲರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ರೈನ್ಬೋ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಸು ಲಿಂಗು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಥರ ವಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸು, ವೇಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಮರಗಳನ್ನ ತಂದು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಈ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು 3rd ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, 4th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದು 1st ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ಸೇನೆ ಸರ್. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್. ಇದು 3D ಆರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೇ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಏನೂ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೆವಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. 3rd ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಂತು. ತುಂಬ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೇ 6 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ಸು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದು 3D ಆರ್ಟ್ಸು, ಫುಲ್ 3D ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಮೈನ್ಯೂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ವುಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಸರ್. ವುಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು 5th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಹುಡುಗ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಯಾನೆ.
ವರ್ಷ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸು ಸರ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಳ ಹತ್ರನೇ ತರಿಸಿ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಥರ ಸರ್. ಇದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ಸು ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಇದು 5th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸರ್. 5th 7th ಆ ಥರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ವರ್ಕ್ಸು ಸರ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 3rd ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡು. ಇದು 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 3D ಆರ್ಟ್ಸು ಸರ್. ನರ್ಸರಿಯಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ 7th ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲು. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸು ಸರ್.
ಇದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ
ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥದ್ದು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈಚಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟೇ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಡಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕಲರ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಅದು ಹಾಗೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕೆರಿಕ್ಯುಲಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು
ಸರ್? ಈಗ 6 ಮಂತ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿಸೋ ಈ ಇಯರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸು ಸರ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, 6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದನೂ ಮಾಡಿಸೋ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಕ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋಂಥ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಶೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್ ನಾವು. ಸರ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಸಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Welcome to our Srishti. It is our universe. Welcome. It's our galaxy world. Here many galaxies are present here. It's our zodiac zone. Here also many zodiac are present here. The constellation also is there here. Astronauts, solar system, many stars also present in our universe. My name is Ansuya. I am working as assistant teacher in SPHPS. It is our universe. Here we created a, how is the universe in the sky? The similar thing we created in our room. The next our children will continue here.
Myself Gautami. I am studying in 6th standard from A section. This is our universe. The universe which exists in space in unimaginably big. It is beyond human imagination and the tiny part of the universe in the Milky Way of galaxy. The universe is made up of millions of galaxies. The universe was developed due to the Big Bang theory. Universe. Millions of galaxies make a universe. The Milky Way is one of them. Milky Way. Milky Way is a galaxy. It contains many systems. The solar system is a one of them. Solar system. Solar system is a made up of 8 planets, out of which Earth is a one of the planet. Now my friend Arshita will explain about solar system. My name is Arshita C. I am studying in 7th standard. This is solar system. Our solar system has 1 star, 8 planets, 5 official recognized dwarf planets. At least 290 means more than 1.3 million asteroids and 3,900 comets. It is located in spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy called the Orion arm. It is held together by the sun immense gravitational pull that keeps objects like planets and the asteroids in orbit around it. Sun. Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is massive hot ball of plasma inflated and heated by energy produced by nuclear fusion reaction at its core. Sun surface temperature is 5772 Kelvin. Radius 6,96,340 kilometer. Gravity 274 meter per second square. Distance to Earth 149.6 million kilometers. The sun has extremely important influences on our planet. It drives weather, ocean currents, climates and seasons, make plant possible through the photosynthesis. Without the sun's heat and light, life on Earth would not exist. This is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet from the sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. It does not have any moons. It is a morning star and an evening star. At first 88 days. And next, Venus. Venus is the second planet of the solar system, similar in structure and size to Earth. Venus spins slowly in opposite direction from most planets. Galileo Galilei was the first person to aim a telescope at Venus in 1600. Venus does not have any moons. Due to slow rotation on its axis, it takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. The orbit of the planet, it takes 225 days, making a year on Venus shorter than a day. Earth is the planet that we live in, the only planet of the solar system that is known as harbor any life form. Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. The water bodies cover 70% of the Earth. The Earth rotates its own axis at around 23.5 degrees. It is because of this angle of inclination of 23.5 degrees that I have only 4 seasons. The Earth's atmosphere is a huge blanket of gases, mostly oxygen and nitrogen wrapped around it. The Earth's temperature is comfortable for human beings and protect us from meteors too. Earth takes 365 days to complete one full orbit. Next, Mars. Mars is the 4th planet of the solar system. It is also called a red planet because it is covered by rust-like dust. Thus it appears to be red in color because iron oxide chemicals in its soil that look like a rust. Mars has 2 natural satellites, also known as moons, Phobos, Deimos. As Mars orbits the Sun, it completes one rotation for every 24.6 hours. Mars is little slower and farther from the Sun. It takes 687 days or 1 Mars year. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, so big that it can accommodate 1,300 planets like the Earth. Jupiter has at least 67 moons. It is only 318 times heavier than Earth. Jupiter has a big red spot. Now, my friend Kiran will continue about other planets. My name is Arshita C. I am studying in 7th standard. Our school name is Sri Basveshwara Higher Primary School.
Namaste. My name is Kiran Kumar HR. I am studying in 6th standard from A section. My school name is SPHPS. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It is unique. It has thousands of beautiful rings. Saturn has a large number of moons. Saturn takes 29.5 Earth years to go around the sun once. Saturn take 10.5 Earth hours to spin on its axis once. Uranus rotates from west to east on its axis. It has huge tilt which make look like it's spinning on its side. Uranus orbits the sun once every 84 Earth years to spin on its axis one time every 17 hours. Neptune is the 8th farthest planet in our solar system. It has really strong wind which are more powerful than any other planets in the solar system. Neptune takes 165 Earth years for Neptune to go around the sun one time. It takes Neptune only 16 Earth hours for its spin on its axis once. Next, my friend Dikshita will continue.
My name is Dikshita K. I am studying in 6th standard from A section. My school name is SPHPS SS MUD. Constellation. A constellation is a group of stars that appears to form a pattern. Constellations are easily recognizable patterns that helps to people orient themselves using the night sky. There are 88 official constellations. In 1922, the International Astronomical Union IAU drew up a list of 88 constellations. Hydra is the largest constellation. Crux is the smallest constellation. Thank you. My friend will continue.
Namaste, my name is Samruchi. I am studying in 6th standard A section. Constellation. One constellation tradition is the Western Zodiac, which is made up of 12 constellations: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, and Aquarius, and Pisces. A 16th century engineering of Claudius Ptolemy, mathematician and astronomer, who created the geocentric model of solar system. UY-SQT is the biggest star in the universe. WBLM J055557AB is the smallest star in the universe. Ancient sailors used stars and constellation to guide their travels. Constellations have many uses signed in astronomy, navigation, farming, and storytelling. Thank you. Next, some lines continued by my friend Manish.
Namaste, my name is Manish Ayappa KR. I am studying in 6th standard A section. Constellation travels from east to west like the sun. Zodiac constellations are found where sun, moon, planets move.
My name is Mayur. I am studying in 6th standard A section. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas and dust, billions of stars with their solar system all held together by gravity. There are 4 types of galaxy. They are spiral, elliptical, irregular, and peculiar. The largest galaxy is Giant Radio Galaxy Acconomos, the first galaxy identified in 17th century by the French astronomer Charles Messier. There are between 1W and 2W billion galaxies in the observable universe. In India, Milky Way is known as Akash Ganga. Milky Way is a gravitating system which converts gas into stars. And now my friend Gagan will tell some lines about galaxy.
Namaste, my name is Khan. I am studying 6th standard A section. These are our galaxy. We are also living one of the galaxy, that is Milky Way. That Milky Way galaxy including the solar system with the name describing galaxies appearance from Earth A at T band. Of the light seen in night sky formed from stars cannot be individually description naked eye. Our galaxy is called Milky Way because appears as Milky band of the light in the sky. When you see really dark area, the Milky Way galaxy are arranged between 800 billion and 3.2 trillion planets. Galileo was the first to see the Milky Way galaxy in 1610 through the telescope. Thank you.
I am Gauri. I am working in assistant teacher in Sri Bashveshwara Higher Primary School. Here we created Sushti sir in social science room. Please come sir. Welcome you sir. Sir, please. Firstly, Constitution of India, sir. This is a superior of our country. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, maker of Indian Constitution. These are all national symbols. Lotus, national flag, tricolor flag, sir. Saffron, white and green. Tiger, national animal. Peacock, sir, national bird. Our national emblem, four-headed lion, sir. Four-headed lion, sir. So, these are all our social science models, sir. So, Vidhana Saudha and Vidhana Saudha, Gol Gumbas, Hawa Mahal, and wheel, Gandhi wheel, and transportations, Golden Temple, Amritsar, and Gram Panchayat, and Tumkur Heritage, sir. This is a High Court of Karnataka, sir. Iglo, and Supreme Court of Delhi, and Taj Mahal, the masjid.
My name is Yashash God. I am studying in 3rd standard. My school name is Shri Basaveshwara Iyer Primary School. My doing in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was maker of Indian Constitution.
Namaste, welcome to our expo. My name is Chetan. I am studying in 7th standard A section. This is a Red Fort. The Red Fort is considered one of the significant monuments of India built by the Mughal Empire Shah Jahan. It showcases splendid display of architecture made of marble works and red sandstone. Construction for the Lal Killa started in 1638. The Red Fort is a famous tourist place in India. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Manoj. I am studying in 7th. Namaste, my name is Manoj. I am studying in 7th standard B section. My school name is Sri Basaveshwara Iyer Primary School, Assessment. My model is Taj Mahal. I am explaining about that. The Taj Mahal is the 7th wonders of the world. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built by Taj Mahal in 1632 memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is an ivory white marble bank of Yamuna River. Thank you.
ಇದನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನೀವೇನ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದು
ವಾರದಿನ ಇತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ವಾರ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಬಂದು ಇದೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರೋದು
ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಏನರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ದಿನದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದರ ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಥರ್ಮೋಕೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಥರ್ಮೋಕೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ
ಥರ್ಮೋಕೋಲ್ ಮರದ್ದು ಇದು ಮರದ್ದು
ಪೀಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದಲ್ವಾ ಏನರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಓಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Namaste. My name is Jashit. I am studying in 7th standard B section in Sri Basaveshwara Iyer Primary School in Siddhganga Mata. My model is India map. India has a unique culture and is one of the oldest and greatest civilized country in the world. And it covers an area of 32,87,263 square kilometers. And it is a part of a continent of Asia. Our country has 28 states and 9 union territories, and it is 7th largest and most populous democratic country in the world. Thank you. And these slides indicates all the states. Thank you.
ಏನೋ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ
These lightings indicates all the states.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ
Yes sir.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು
Yes sir. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೊಂದು ಶೀಟ್ ಆಚೆ ತಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್
ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ತಂದು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ
ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಬೋದು ವಾರ್ಡನ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thanks.
Namaste, welcome to Expo. My name is Anvita. I am studying in 3rd standard. My expo is igloo. This is a igloo. This is built by the snow. My name is Anvita. An igloo has a snow house or snow hut. It is a type of a shelter built of suitable snow or snow house. Eskimos, it is mostly built by the Inuit tribes that live in part of Canada and Greenland. The inside of an igloo warm, and this helps to people to survey the cold environment. Thank you.
ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
1 week.
ನನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ?
I prepare for 1 week.
ಓಕೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದು?
Cotton.
ಕಾಟನ್. ಏನು ಕಾಟನ್ನ ಹಿಂದಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹತ್ತಿ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Yeah.
Namaste, my name is Nagaraj. I am studying in 6th A. My topic is Tumkuru Heritage. Welcome to Expo. There are 31 districts in Karnataka. Tumkuru district is an administration district. Is a state of Karnataka in India. It is third largest district in Karnataka. Is a state of third largest district in Karnataka in India. It is called Tumkuru Heritage. Siddhganga Mata Library, District Court, DC Office, Hanuman Statue, Esmal, Ammani Kere, Tumkuru University. Thanks.